Have you ever wanted a simple, relaxing puzzle game that still challenges your brain? Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to play Bubble Breaker, a classic Windows game. Whether you're new or just want to improve your score, this quick tutorial will get you started. There are two levels, Single and Infinity. The Single mode uses 3 fixed colors. The Infinity level includes more colors, which makes the game more challenging. Let's play the classic game first. Bubble Breaker is a puzzle game where the goal is to remove groups of matching colored bubbles from the board. The more bubbles you remove in a single move, the higher your score. When you open the app, you'll see a grid filled with colorful bubbles. There's no timer, so you can play at your own pace. Click on a group of 2 or more bubbles of the same color. The entire group will disappear. The bubbles above will fall down. Columns may shift left if emptied. Your score increases based on how many bubbles you remove at once. Small groups give fewer points, but large groups can give a big boost, so plan ahead. Don't rush, look for larger groups before clicking. Try to avoid leaving single bubbles behind. Work from the bottom when possible to create bigger combos. Think a few moves ahead. The game ends when there are no more matching groups left. Any remaining bubbles will reduce your final score, so aim to clear as many as possible. When you reach the end of this level, the next level will become a bit more difficult. You'll notice that the game starts introducing more complexity, so you'll need to think more carefully about each move to keep progressing and maximize your score. Let's go back and check out the other level, Infinity. This mode is quite different from the classic one and offers a more dynamic experience. You'll notice that it introduces more colors, which makes each move more challenging and less predictable. Because of this, you'll need to plan your strategy more carefully. It also encourages you to think ahead rather than just reacting to immediate matches. As you play, the board can change in unexpected ways, keeping the gameplay fresh. This mode is great if you want a tougher challenge and longer play sessions. Windows 11 widget. You can also add Bubble Breaker to your Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select Bubble Breaker from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. Once added, you will see the widget on your Windows 11 widget board. And that's it. That's how you play the Bubble Breaker game in the Windows application and in the Windows 11 widget. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.